Hello and welcome everyone to my DA2 description, in which I'm going to explain about my computer organization and architecture EC3004 DA, which is the DA2, and in which and then first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nishant Arnav and my registration number is 18BEC0348. I am under the teacher of Professor Dhanibal R sir, and I am in the slot C1 plus TC1. My serial number is 25, and you can find my name, my face, my email ID, and my phone number, which is 7667285636, attached in the form of headers and footers in each and every page of my DA, which you can find right here in my folder. Now, each and everything regarding my DA2 can be found in the folder, which I'm going to attach as a link in the video description. These are all the files. First of all, this is the Word file which I have made in order for this project, and this is the final PDF converted which I uploaded in the VTop. This is the research paper that I used for this process. This is the draw.io file folder in which you can see all those files which I have made during the process of making this DA. This is the EPS file format, uh, which I have converted from PNG format, and this is the PNG folder which you can access this, and this is finally the sheets which I have made in order to compile it in the form of Word finally, and compiling all this I made this Word file and then finally this PDF file. Now coming back to my DA, the first question in my DA is explain how the selected paper relate to the COA syllabus slash curriculum. Now I explained everything about how this paper is related to my COA syllabus, and you can go through this. These are some of the diagrams which I made. This is the second question. Draw the existing architecture discussed in the paper using appropriate raster graphic editor software in the EPS format. This is the diagram that I made using the draw.io file, which you can see right here. This is the proposed architecture, and all those other diagrams you can see in the EPS files. This is the existing architecture. This is the proposed architecture, the counter, everything you can see right here, and you can access it using the link that I'm going to provide down below. This is the question 2. Now the third question is draw the tabulated result and graphs using the Office Suite and encapsulated Power script, which is the EPS file format, and I've converted everything in the form of EPS file right here, and you can see the short description of how the proposed short description about the tabulated results that I'm going to explain. This is the block diagram, the multiplication and addition, everything that is required. This is the small tabulated format that I used of the existing delay, the proposed delay, and everything, explaining about how my proposed architecture, which I used in this research paper, is better than the previous conventional ones. The area comparison, the delay comparison, and everything. This is a small description about that. Now, this is the diagram which describes about the multiplying design, the 4 multiply design, 3 multiply design, 2 multiply design, and how and which one is better. Now the fourth question is draw the proposed architecture discussed in the paper using the diagramming the EPS for file format. Okay, so I made the proposed architecture as you can see right here too. I can move everything and do anything that I want, and this is the final thing I made and I attached in the PDF. Now the fifth question, draw the transistor level internal diagram using the EPS schematic capture simulation tool in EPS file format. Now I made the proposed disk architecture and various other things like program counter, control unit, and instruction memory, and ALU diagram, the floating point unit, and everything. I made the diagram and given a small description of everything. Now comparing the proposed architecture with the existing architecture in your reference book. So I tried to compare and contrast between how are what I read in my syllabus, like the floating point things that I read in my syllabus, is it correlated with the research paper, and how much better is the new proposed architecture I have explained everything in this. In the proposed architecture, this is the things, and for the existing architecture, these are the things that you can break through. Now, the advantages of the proposed architecture over the existing architecture, which is the question number 7, I explained in points, like all those goals were achieved, and the the main optimization of the critical delay, and how it is faster and more proficient. I have explained every kind of advantages you can find. Now, coming to the merits and demerits, I have explained a lot about the merits right here, and you can go through this. And these are the other demerits. You can see the complex circuits and the high latency, low throughput, which you can see right here. Now, the ninth is list the application of the proposed design. The application is basically the name of the research paper is DSP application, so it is basically used in DSP, as DSP needs fast and efficient processing. So these are the everything that you can application that you can find, uh, and why is it proven useful. You can also find those answers in this question. Now, coming to the final question of my TA2, which is question number 10, draw the flow chart or the algorithm or the transistor level circuit proposed in the design EPS file format. This is the transistor level risk based design that I made using the raw.io file, which you can see it right here. In order to get a more clear view of this, you can finally go to my folder, the drive folder, and check all the EPS and Excel sheets which are given separate folders here. Now, later I'm going to explain, I'm going to draw basically in front of you a proposed architecture. So stay tuned for that. made the proposed architecture for the day 2 and the research paper. And going to the video that is that event, you can get an idea of how to make this. I have attached all those .dot files, the PNG files and the EPS files in my drive folder. You can go through that and get an idea of how did I make this now. And also thank you for watching.